Hello there, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make foundation crochet chains. I will teach you how to do the single crochet, the half double crochet, and the double crochet. I like to begin almost all of my projects that are in rows with this stitch. It is a lot less time consuming than to work your entire chain and then work into your chain. It can also create a neater looking edge for your projects. So to begin, you always, of course, begin with your slip stitch. Then, for the single crochet chain, foundation single crochet as it would be written, you would yarn over and chain 2. 1 and 2. Then, working into the second chain from your hook, not into the V, but into this little loop in the back, which is a little bit tight because of my slip knot. You yarn over and pull through. Then you yarn over and pull through 1 loop. This makes the chain. Then you yarn over and pull through both loops as you would with a single crochet, and that makes a single crochet into your chain. You yarn over, for single crochet, you insert your hook into that chain that you just made, and you yarn over and pull through. Then you yarn over and pull through 1. I always like to put my fingers right onto that chain that I made. That helps me find it when I need to work into it. Then you yarn over and pull through both, just as you would a single crochet. So you insert your hook into your little chain, you yarn over and pull through, and you yarn over and pull through 1, and then you yarn over and pull through both. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through 1 to make your chain, and yarn over and pull through both to make your single crochet. We'll do it a couple more times. As you can sort of see, they're very tight, but there are little V's happening here. Perhaps you can see them. That's the chain, and that's where you insert your hook. And you yarn over and pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through both loops. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through both loops. Then, when you are finished with your row, this is the top of your work. So you would chain 1 or 2 or however many your pattern calls for, and you would turn your work as usual, remembering that this right-hand side, if you're right-handed, becomes the top of your work. And then you would just work into your V's as usual. So in doing this, you create a chain row and the single crochet into that chain all at the same time. And it saves you the time of having to work a whole chain and then work into the chain. For the half double crochet, it is the same concept. You chain 2. You always chain 1 more than what you would usually chain for that stitch. Then, as you do with the half double crochet, you would yarn over. Insert your hook into the second loop from your hook into that back lump loop. Instead of the V, it's into that back bump, which is hard to see, but that's where you do it. Then you yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, pull through 1 to make your chain, and then yarn over and pull through all 3 just as you would with a half double crochet. So you yarn over like the half double crochet. You insert your hook into the chain that you made. Mine's misbehaving. Then you yarn over and pull through. You yarn over and pull through 1 to make your chain, and you yarn over and pull through all of them to make the half double crochet. Yarn over, insert into your chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through all loops. Yarn over for half double crochet, insert your hook into the chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 1 to make your chain, yarn over, pull through all 3 to make your half double crochet. And again, when you're finished with your work, this becomes the top, and then you turn. And then you just work as usual into your V's like you would any other half double crochet. Double crochet, same concept. You begin with your slip stitch. And you yarn over, and you will chain 3, because usually you chain 2 for your double crochet. So for the foundation, you chain 3. Yarn over, insert into that third loop from the hook, into that bump in the back, not your V, but the bump on the back of your V. Of course, it's giving me trouble. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through 1 loop to make your chain. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, insert your hook into your chain. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through the 1 loop to make your chain, and then make your half double crochet by yarning over and pulling through 2, yarning over, pulling through 2. Yarn over, insert your hook into the chain, yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through 1 loop. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So you make your chain into the previous chain, and then you make your double crochet. These stitches do end up being just a smidge longer, taller, than if you were to make your chain and then work into it, but it saves you a good bit of time, and it makes your project look neater. I used a larger hook to show you for the video. You would probably have a pattern with a smaller hook so that these would be neater and look a lot nicer. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me or reach out to me on social media.